So in this video we're going to make a Venn diagram from these two groups. First 10 integers and the first 10 prime numbers. So first of all, before we set up our Venn diagram picture, let's list out our two groups here, or we call them sets. So the first 10 integers, so I'm going to call that set X. So that can be just the numbers up to 10. That's our first 10 integers. Okay, now our first 10 prime numbers, I'm going to call that set Y. So Y equals first 10 prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, two more, 23 and 29. I'll just take a second just to check that. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10 prime numbers. Okay, so now we've got our two sets. Now what we need to do is set up our Venn diagram. So our Venn diagram, remember we set up a box first of all. Then inside this box we draw two intersecting circles, because there's some parts of this and some parts of this. So some elements in this one are in this one. So we'll need intersecting circles. So let's just set up my circles like that. Not the best of circles, but they will do for now. Okay, so what you're writing in the circles is really what we're all about today. So first of all, let's find out what goes in here. So this side I'm going to call set X. This side I'm going to call set Y. So now what we want for this is X intersection Y. So X intersection Y. So basically what's in X and in Y. So basically if we go with this one, the prime numbers up to 10 will make our X intersection Y. So we've got 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay. So X intersection Y will go in the middle. 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, now to finish off now, we need to fill in the rest of this circle here, X. So all enclosed in this circle, so if I just outline this circle nice and clearly for you, all that's enclosed in here should be all of the elements of set X. So 2, 3, 5 and 7 we've already got. So the remaining ones need to go in this outer part of the circle, basically the bigger part. So now we've got 1, 4, 8, 9 and 10. So that completes set X. Now we need to complete set Y. So set Y, I just draw this circle here like this, nice clear outline. Inside this circle we need all the elements of set Y. Now 2, 3, 5, 7 we've already got, so that's just the first 4. So we need to put the remaining 6 elements. So 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay, and then outside of this, inside the box, we have nothing to put in there. So this is our completed Venn diagram from the first 10 integers and the first 10 prime numbers. Okay.